Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to add or edit bookmarks on Firefox browser. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go and download the Firefox browser from any other browser because it does not come with the Windows. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the middle of the screen, we have the search bar where you can go and search for anything that you want, and in the top side of the screen also. In the top right corner, we have the three lines where you can check out settings and all of these things. And of course, we have here where you can go and change your tab, add shortcuts, and all of those things. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and add or edit bookmarks on a Firefox browser. So to add bookmarks, go to the website you want to bookmark. For instance, let's go and type in Amazon. Here, go and type in the website, click on it. And now you need to go and click the star icon in the address bar to add the new pages bookmark. So we have the here, and here we have the star. And just click on the save. Now a dialog box will appear, as I told you just a second. So a dialog box will appear where you name your bookmark, choose the folder, and add images. You just need to click done, and it will of course be added. So to edit a bookmark, click the library button. Then click on bookmarks, manage bookmarks, and there you can go and manage them, edit or whatever, or click Ctrl+Shift+O to of course manage them. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.